We begin with a developing story tonight. At least 26 homes have been destroyed on Hawaii's Big Island by lava flowing from the Kilauea volcano. Hundreds of people have been told to evacuate because the lava is still moving towards neighborhoods, and there's no indication on when it will stop. More eruptions, more destruction, and more concern for people forced to leave their homes.
Tears, a lot of tears, saying goodbye to my house.
Evacuation orders were extended because the red-hot lava still spewing from the Kilauea volcano on Hawaii's Big Island is moving erratically.
I wish volcanoes behaved like clocks and were very predictable.
But not everyone is happy about the safety measures.
The longer we wait, the more it's going to turn into, or could turn into, lava flows blocking roads, and then we don't have a chance.
Our house is up on stilts, and so we're hoping that the shaking didn't cause things to, or damage the home, but we don't know. We can't get in.
U.S. Geological Survey says at least 10 volcanic vents have opened, so the 1,700 people living in the community of Leilani Estates have been ordered to evacuate.
Within 5 minutes, there was probably a 3-foot wall of lava on the street, and now my house might be gone. So that's just devastating. I'd have to start over at age 56.
Thursday's eruption was followed by a 6.9 magnitude earthquake. Since then, molten lava has destroyed several homes, and poisonous gases continue to spew out. And officials believe more eruptions are likely.
There's nothing to say that it can't develop some additional pressure and push beyond Leilani Estates to the east tip of the island.
Despite the threat, some residents say this is just the gamble you take when you decide to live in paradise.